And it's well in traffic, bro. Wheel spin. That's what you get a lot of the time. Another traffic section, because you guys wanted a video, so I came out for a video, and now I have to ride on a weekday traffic, so deal with it. I guess this is kind of open and a decently lit area, so I can start vlogging. And we are back, and you must be happy to see this, because now I'm back on a big bike, and obviously now I have my Kida back. You guys are going to enjoy watching the video, and I'm going to enjoy riding it. This is the MT-09. I bought a new bike, a new for me. Obviously you guys, many of you who are following me on Instagram, you have seen the post. So this is a new bike for me. Obviously I picked it used. I am not loaded, and please don't ask how much was it for. It's very rude. Don't ask people how much their salary is and how much they picked the bike for. That's very rude. But it's home. MT-09, a rare fucking beast. I love rare bikes, okay, and I love bikes with these unique characteristics. What is happening? Okay, we are going in the dark alley again, so let's be, I don't know. And all of you who saw it on Instagram, you were very happy for me, and it really means a lot that you guys also enjoy what I buy, because then you guys get to see it, and I'm happy that you're enjoying whatever I'm putting out. And yes, this bike is a wheelie monster, and I'm not wheeling right now because I'm still getting used to it. I'm still getting used to the power. This thing just throws scary power. I'll just show you for a second. Okay, on the second gear, standard mode. This is not even A mode. This is not even the full power. We are at 5000 RPM. Oh, mamma mia. Woo-hoo-hoo. And that's a stock exhaust, by the way. I don't know if it comes through on the GoPro, but this is loud. I'm so happy because I'm happy, and this is non-ABS, so I can slide my rear wheel. And I couldn't slide my rear wheel because I downshifted too late. And anyways, it has some little bit of old tires, so even if I slide my rear wheel, it's not making too much noise. But I don't care about that, because I didn't buy this bike for cornering. I bought this bike because it's a fucking wheelie machine. The front wheel just came up, thoda sa, but it did. And I'm not going to try a wheelie on a broken road, obviously. So first gear standard mode is power wheelies all day. Whew. It is exhilarating. And if you roll on the throttle smoothly, no big deal. You don't feel like you are riding something too aggressive. Like R1, there still was some aggressiveness, roughness in the throttle. Bottom end was obviously nowhere close to this. The bottom end mid-range of this bike, it's all bottom end mid. You don't expect anything on the top end. Don't try to redline this bike, and I'm saying don't try to as if you're going to ride it. I won't do it. I won't be doing it. It's not meant for it. What BS? You think you're fast? I'm faster, baby. And the stock exhaust pops. As soon as the cat heats up, it starts popping. I love it. And as soon as everything heats up, the bike is up to temp, the exhausts are up to temp. It gets so aggressive even in standard mode. If and when there is an exhaust on this, it's highly unlikely, because I'm just enjoying the stock thing. I can, late night, whatever time of the day, I can just rip around and just don't give a damn, because the cops can't do anything. The documents are clear. It's stock. Everything is like completely stock, so there is nothing for them to find me with. And I'm enjoying that point about it, enjoying that fact. And I think I've passed the phase where you want loud exhausts. It just sounds a little childish. Maybe if we were in a place where I could enjoy the exhaust without the fear of cops, then I would have done it. But right now, with the situation that we have in India, with the cops cracking down on all the exhausts, I don't think I can really do it. Now, as I said, this video is in traffic inside the city because it's the middle of the week and you guys saw the post and you wanted the video, so I thought I might as well at least record something, let you have the perspective, the point of view that you're going to have from now onwards, make you listen to the sound, let you see what's going on, what's what right now with me and the bike. Obviously I'm going to have a proper new bike video which is going to be shot on the weekend because I don't have time during the week, office and all, you understand, blue collar people. And this behaves so much like the R1, like I think about till 3500 4000 rpm. It's buttery smooth, it's like nothing is moving inside the bike, and as soon as you cross that threshold everything starts buzzing. It's like the bike just comes alive and it's ready to go, shaking. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Right now at this rpm, nothing. 4000, beyond 4000 it's jungly, and I like it that way, baby. I'm so happy. I've had my eye on this bike for about a year at least. Literally this exact bike, I had been following it around, where it's going, just ready to get my hands on it whenever my money and my everything is clear. But by the time it got cleared, then it was Corona. So right now I am here to meet my friends, so I'll catch up with them and I'll record the rest while going back. Chalo, done with friends ka time. Now back to a proper ride, and because it's night time so abhi thoda khali bhi hoga. But the fact of the matter is that I was simply going to do a simple ride. You crazy son of a bitch. That's standard mode, by the way. Motherfucker, it flew up. Whew. Whew. And that's exactly why I bought this. That's exactly why I bought this. Oh my god. Oh yeah, baby, you're one crazy thing. You're one crazy thing. Yeah, I'm not going to try that again now. Fuck, it freaked me out. There is going to be a nice cinematic video, as I said. I don't remember if I said, because that's like a few hours apart, but the first part of the video. So there's going to be a nice cinematic video eventually. But right now, because you guys were so much after a video on this bike, so I had to get one of the ride, the first official ride. Because eventually I rode it from the showroom, the shop where I got it from. I guess the dealership? Yeah, sorry. Mush brain. So I rode it from dealership to home and in Bandra as well. But both the days it was very crowded. So yeah, nothing that time. Whew. The adrenaline just shot up, man. But apart from that, I think like first official recorded ride, this is it. That was just one day me getting used to it. So today I filled up air as it should be and a little more used to it. Damn, that was standard mode. This is going to loop in A mode, man. I was so exhilarated by that wheelie, I forgot to end the video. So I guess this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time with a proper release video of this. Bye bye.
Here we go.